Hi everyone, Peter from Chill Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making these lollipop superhero. And you're going to need scissors, glue, some felt tip pens, your lollipop sticks, this sheet and the card. So I'm going to do this one. So you want to start off by cutting it out. So I've got these two here. Your next step is to stick them onto the card. So next, on the mask bit where the face will be, you're going to draw your own face. So you can just finish that off there like that. And colour it in. You want to draw a little mouth. And the nose. And then we're going to cut these out again, but with the extra bit that we've drawn. Next step, you want to get your glue on your lollipop stick, put a little bit on there, and you stick the face down. You can put your shield on as well, and then that's your lollipop stick done. Or you can put a cape on as well. So you can draw a cape as well if you want to. So it's basically the same again. You could colour it in, cut it out. I'm just doing it dead quick. So, but with this one, you put just a little bit of glue on the front of it. And then you're going to stick that to the back, like that. There you go. There's your superhero puppet all done.